actually break everything!
This is all my fault. The Avengers are captured. There's no one left to save the city. I'm sorry, Mr. Vision. I didn't mean to pull your head off. I didn't mean to do any of this.
Hello, Dennis.
Oh, so much to do. I can build anything I want with this axe. So first things first. Just so there's no doubt who rules this world. Yes! This will do nicely!
Save your strength, big guy.
Yeah, we could be in here for a while. Go fish.
If Vision's head is out there, he's running on backup battery. He's not gonna have much time left before his system starts to malfunction.
Wherever his head is, let us hope it is in good hands.
Mr. Vision? Are you okay?
Please, just call me Vision.
I'm so sorry for what happened. The Avengers, Terrax, Galactus, you losing your body, it's all my fault. All of this is my fault.
Now is not the time for self-pity. There is a way we can free the Avengers.
Oh, thank goodness. I was worried you didn't have a plan to fix this.
If I can retrieve a power booster and be reunited with my body, I should be strong enough to phase and break through Galactus.
That sounds amazing! Terrific! How do we do that?
First, you must get me to Avengers Tower. There will be a power booster there.
Okay, Vision. What's the best way to get to Avengers Tower?
Showing directions. 2 shawarma restaurants near you.
Okay, great. So what was it? What?
Apologies. I am losing power and starting to malfunction due to being separated from my body. If I'm not made whole soon, I will cease to function.
Okay, well, don't worry, Mr. Vision. Vision, I won't let that happen. We can do this. I can do this.
No, you can't!
Not a good time, Gloria!
If you do not mind me asking, Dennis, what are you wearing?
It's my superhero costume. I made it to wear to Avengers Con. I figured now was a good time for it. Why is Galactus here?
We had better keep moving.
Vision, what's it like being a superhero?
What do you mean?
I've just always wondered, because, I've always wanted to be an Avenger. But I don't have any powers. Or anything I'm good at. So...
This conversation will have to wait. We are here.
I can't believe I'm standing in the Hall of Armor. Oh my gosh, is that the Mark I? And Thor's cape! Are those trick arrows? Ow! Nope. Real arrows. No way. One of Cap's shields.
Please be careful, Dennis.
Yeah, I can do this all day.
If you're not careful, you could take someone's head off with this thing.
Oh, wow! Captain America and Daredevil, Dazzler, Moon Girl, Moon Knight, and Wolverine!
Bub.
What happened, Vision? You look, shorter.
At the moment, I'm just ahead. But with your help, I will both get my body back and free the Avengers.
Look, I speak for all of us. We only have one question. Who is that?
Hi.
Dennis is with me. He works at Damage Control.
Damage Control. They're the ones who keep sending us bills for damage we didn't do.
Oh my gosh, that's so weird.